So it is day one of, wait, have I talked about?
Yeah, probably.
So we are moving. But yeah, today's the first day of bringing stuff over. About 2 weeks overlap between this place and our old place. So, but I'm gonna do like an empty apartment tour so you guys can see it before we put stuff in it. So stay tuned. Tie with our greatest purchase yet. Ozark Trail wagon. Guys, we're home. Oh my goodness. AC is on, I got it. The first item in the freezer is Trader Joe's mushroom black truffle flatbread. I brought that for lunch. And then we also brought some soda. When you move in, you might get hangry, so we brought the goods. Welcome. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little empty apartment tour because I love seeing these on YouTube. I think they're so fun. You get to see the space before anybody puts their personal touch on it. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, so this is the door when you walk in. I was just here. We're gonna do like the catch-all and like our shoes and stuff. And then this is our new pride and joy, our Ozark Trail collapsible wagon. In our old apartment, we were on the 3rd floor and there was no elevator, it was all stairs. So doing groceries and getting packages was just like a pain in the butt. So always tried to do one trip, but this is gonna be a lifesaver. And we're right near the elevator, so it's perfect. And then you have this little step up. So step up, this is the hallway. I love how white and bright it is. So you come down, I'm gonna go this way first. So this is the office. Well, it's technically a 2nd bedroom, but we're gonna make it our office. So I'm really excited to just decorate in here and make it Albert Designs. So Ty and I will both work from home, so we're gonna make this our office. And this is the closet. It's a really big closet, so extra storage. Go across is the bedroom, and I love these windows, like New York vibe. This is the bedroom. So we have 2 closets that actually connect, so it's one big closet. Then it has the spot. We'll probably put our bed here, but I love this like indent. I actually kind of want to do like this stick and peel like wallpaper. I think would be really cool. So, and then when you come this way is the bathroom. Let me back up. Huge wall, dresser, mirror, something is going here. I'm so excited to decorate. Put the bathroom, and we can paint any of the walls or put the wallpaper on. So right now the bathrooms are black, which is kind of cool. So, yeah, this is the bathroom. Not super interesting. But then, yeah, I don't super love the color of this wood, but literally everything else in here is perfect, so I can deal. You go in here. Here is the other bathroom. Just black. I love how it's black. It's actually kind of cool. So this one has the tub. Right here is our laundry. Not super exciting. This is the door that closes it. It's high. This is the kitchen. So, focus. Again, don't love this color of the things, but literally everything else is amazing, so it's fine. So, little kind of a galley. This is called galley, right? This is called a galley kitchen. He's not answering me. Wait, did you open this door? Oh, cool. So more storage, pantry, amazing. And then this way is another way into the like big living space. So that's just kind of like a quick empty apartment tour, but I love how it's all white with the black. I think it's very chic. Kind of reminds me of like New York apartments, but we get this in Boston. Yeah, so I'm gonna share some inspo pics, and then as we go and decorate here, I'll be sharing it more on here on YouTube, but then also on one of our Instagram accounts. So stay tuned for that as well. I'm gonna help Ty unpack while we're here.